No.
Come on, bro. Dude, you got to.
No, I don't.
Come on.
You're not gonna force me to do
Buddy,
anything
please,
that I don't want to do.
I'm asking, would you please do it for the process? Please.
Does it taste bad?
No, I mean, I eat them. People eat them all the time. He's in business because people eat them. Suck it down.
I just want. Can I just have a tiny bit?
There ain't no way to have a tiny bit of oyster.
Just take off the part and then leave it.
Just suck it down.
No,
Come on, bro. Just do it.
I just want a little bit.
And then you swallow it.
Just, can you cut it in half?
No, buddy, they don't work that way. Suck it.
Oh, can we at least drain out the juice?
Nope, that's part of it. Or, yeah, sure. You want to drain out the juice? Go for it.
So this is safe to eat, right?
Absolutely.
It doesn't taste like anything?
Tastes like salt water.
Crap.
You ever taken like when your nose is stuffed up and you go, and you taste it go down the back of your throat?
Kinda.
That's what it tastes like.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really mind that taste. That tastes different.
I just get up every morning and I'm excited to come out here. I love being here. I love meeting people that I get to sell oysters to, supplying the restaurants, you know, giving back by being able to clean the water up at the same time has been a good thing. You just take that bag, in the summertime especially, you flip it every week. So this side will get grown up, you flip it over, the sun will bake this side. Next week you flip it back the other way, sun will bake that side, and that keeps the oysters and the bags clean, because if not, they would just get grown up.
That's what I have to do, my little bait whip, my little bait trap. I have to pull it out and let it dry out.
So,
there's a
yeah, you said
shrimp that was in
you
there.
said earlier, like sometimes you can have baby fish stick on there. Sometimes you can have like baby crab stick on there or something.
Yeah, there'll be all sorts of stuff. If you dump a bag in the summer, you'll see 30 or 40 different fish and shrimp and
You
crabs.
said gobies?
And got little gobies. There's a sucker fish. He's weird. He'll stick to anything. I don't know what they are.
Yep. All right, Dad. I'm gonna get you some hot sauce and you just chug
Well,
this.
let me tell you something about you and hot sauce. Go easy with it.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh, don't drop it in the water.
This is what I'm gonna tell you. If you get like another job and you get fired from it, I'm gonna say, what's the difference between you and an extra large pizza?
What?
An extra large pizza can feed a family.
That's funny. All right, you gonna get you one or not?
Heck no.
All right, thank you. You remember that damn mussel he told you about cutting?
All right.
I've met my oyster quota for 2025. Thank you, buddy.
Yes, sir. See y'all later.
See ya.